Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you 3 hidden features on Motorola Moto G67. So first go into the settings, then scroll down and into the gestures. In gestures we have a couple of them, but we will focus on fast flashlight. When you enable it and shake your phone, you feel the vibration and the flashlight turns on and off. The next thing is when you go back here and into the modes, you here can create your own mode. Give this a custom name and icon. Here you can set a schedule, allow notification from the people, from the apps, alarms, and here change the display settings of the mode. And the next thing is in display, scroll down into swipe to split, and now when you enable it and open some app, just take your finger and do the gestures from the left side to the center and back to left side. And now select the second app and you have them both right here. And to close the first tab, just from the top scroll upwards. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.